Welcome back to Talk Up TV.
One, yeah.
Guys, the name of this movie is The Alleged
Virgin.
So I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy
Remember
the
to get
rest
to
of
the
this
popcorn.
movie. Don't leave out the popcorn. Remember,
Big
tell a
drinks.
friend to tell a friend. This one is real epic. What you
Epicaros.
say, Falan? Talk Up TV 1 all the way.
Short. Me go. Me tell her. Me have to do it. You know she not gonna believe me, you know. Me have to try.
Long time I purge out, you know. All I purge.
Hello. Good morning, good evening, good
Shayna, you
afternoon.
come to?
Yes, she's CM1.
She
Where's she there?
She inside. Shayna!
What are you gonna do with Cersei now?
Oh boy, son tea. If your friend come to you,
You're tall, do her.
have to.
Shayna.
Yeah,
I have something to tell you.
You
Cut
see
long
her?
story short.
What do you know?
You know where your brother here?
If she not come broke up my sister, you know.
You know, they might pick Cersei.
Look here, me tell him to drink bitters. Because when Mrs. Sonrasha come up in her back, I don't trust them.
Most are sick.
When you say want to talk private,
Yes. Come on, bush her ears, you
we'll
so you
go
know.
upstairs then.
Yeah, I'm only believer.
I have visitor. Next to Christ, you know, come on.
Come now.
They come, Falan, we reach. Falan, after 3 gone, what? All of your business.
But you start grinning and eat.
Nobody come up here, come laugh, me not ready for them.
See them are up in
No
there.
private, you have to tell me, Falan.
Shayna. God.
Tap to your face, so. Me know when time me go tell some lie, no. Me know you know.
Shayna, me not tell no lie. Shayna, me is a Mary.
It's a Mary.
Mary.
Me don't understand that. Come clearer.
Mary.
Yeah, Mary. What you want to say? You're a Virgin Mary?
Me is a Virgin Mary. Shayna,
Why?
talk we all laugh.
Falan, you expect me to believe that?
Shayna, God, I swear. Shayna, I swear.
Falan, my God, Steve. Look here. You
Shayna, I just because you always see me just so go on so.
Falan, look how you dress and look here. You dey talk about the member say tell me say you have one boyfriend a foreign member.
Me said that yes.
You always a socialize with boys, be a boys. You need to
They can't call me name. I'm gonna think people can't say them beg.
if you can't remember, I mean I only woman
It's up
friend
to me, you know.
keep, you know.
It's up to me if you say yes.
Falan,
No.
and I believe you. You can't
Look,
make me.
cross me heart and whoop.
Mind God, drop you down that step there
Shayna,
today when you
from
dey
me
go down there.
born, me never see it yet.
Look
Me
here.
never see it yet. Me no watch, me only something them go on TV. Me no watch
Falan,
them.
you mean say one man never go fire and do good stuff.
Do go where you man.
Falan, me not believe you, girl. Look here, a long time me and your par. You will have wind up yourself and show me about this and latest.
No worry about them man the way you see me take money from a foreigner and who else you see. You see when you reach to the sex part, me tell them say relationship over.
Hello, remember say when me and you go party, all if me broke, me not have to worry myself because you Falan, I go get money from some man for me buy liquor.
You know hard to get money from a man.
No girl, me not believe you. There's nothing where you
Me
can
convinced man a man give me money.
But them they print out the way, and yeah, tell me about say you're a virgin.
Not throw me in a this year.
You can't tell me that.
Believe me. What me have to do for prove to you say me a virgin, Shayna?
Me don't know about Balan. This so ridiculous.
This is not ridiculous. I am.
Me want
You
pee-pee.
once were, right?
Yeah, girl.
For you broke, for me not broke.
Me a spin mint ball long time. I really talk about a long time. Me a play bat up and catch. I don't see.
Me no
it and
worry
then they
about it or anything. Me just take man things. I know and they reach there so me tell them say your relationship done. Me I'll hide them sometime.
Look here. You know, so you know if you tell line or so not. You did know? You did know if you rain when they fall in so bad, at least you rain with a cool.
Who me fi make you ask? Nobody.
Tell me. Good I
Me.
You
They
mean-
are here from the horse's mouth. Me.
Ask a tell lie. See me a donkey when say we're no level. You didn't get me if you believe donkey know your content.
Donkey no know that donkey ever can load. How if you know if you roll, if you were level.
Why me a
A donkey got big.
Girl, me a hold this against me. I believe say you know.
So what me fi do? Throw me a virgin if just up in a long frock? Eh?
never
Me fi do
said
like a churchy?
But
Nothing
for-
wrong.
Man, we see us slap your
They
fire
can't
back,
trouble
you
me.
know, something there, you know.
That time me get money and that me fi try show you. Say, oh me there party, a man hold me nails. Me tell them say them have to pay.
So tell me something like how you're a virgin. When you're pee-pee, you take long for them pee-pee?
Little bit.
Come let I go one down there.
Little
Come
bit
and
come.
tell me pay a lie. You
Little
cannot
bit
come
of pee-pee
give me.
come. Little
You
bit.
can't go and bag a lie story if you can't give me. Yeah, your friends still in the car. Guess why you're always full of drama. When on the people business of
So me virgin information a drama. No. You want me little. You know see how me boss said one I aki.
No, my friend. But God know this hard to believe.
She not believe.
Me not gonna be a hypocrite and jump and tell us say me believe when me no believe.
You ever hear man call me name yet? Who ever hear call me name? Who?
They can't call your name because they know say your friend head hot and they know say your friend fight for you. So they not gonna
But
call your name.
but
make
you know
hear.
me say me take a man, me tell you say me take him.
Yeah, but
If he has go through the gate, me tell you say he has go through the gate.
why fall on the part?
Has not if he go through the gate, if the girl get money from a man.
So you are virgin, no man never touch us.
Touch what?
No
If
man
he,
Girl,
they
yeah,
never
me so
touch me
sorry
yet.
if you say
They
you're
never
virgin,
squeeze
but-
me bottom. They never touch me for me vagina, and they never touch for me breast.
So Falan, where you wait on? Where you wait for? What are you waiting on?
Me a wait him going to church. Me find one husband.
Look here, me not believe you.
God say,
Me not- look
fi-
here.
wait, be patient.
Patient man right
Me a be
ass.
patient.
Patient man right
Me a
ass.
woman, me not ride
Are
ass.
you there? They tell me about me ear from the ass's mouth, so me never can tell. One and one make two.
Shana, me a
Come-
virgin. Me tell her say me a Mary.
Your mother know say you're a virgin?
Of course, my mother knows say me a virgin.
And your mother cuss you so when tell your mother see you with boy and say you love boy pity company. Hey, this that.
He better boy call up a name more than girl them here.
Want be like you, more virgin like you to Falan. You see, as from today, me a virgin. You hear?
Shana,
You see
stop
what-
that mock me.
Me
Stop
no,
mock
no,
me.
me not mock you, but me have something to tell you. So you know, say me a virgin. Hey, girl, it's a long story. Come here, me follow you. Go down, girl.
What you
Like
me
I eat you
want,
when
so?
come fi tell me. Me not gonna tell nobody still. Me have your,
No
me
tell
have your
nobody,
secret locked.
please me I beg you,
No, me
yeah?
not tell nobody. If you can't tell me for true.
Yes. And if you tell the next one when always see me I talk to, say me a no virgin, I make me pop style for the man show him say me know road.
So them the man
Me
they
tell
are
him say me
double
know
six.
road. Yeah, pose him a pose. For who me? Come on,
Man,
yeah.
come on, fi pose.
You know how much of me think me go a course, go buy a dress and bed and sit.
Come on, cause virgin not too know if you do things. So make me carry down your step. Come on, you buck your toe. Come.
Come, I don't want to take over that
Come, me
field and
virgin
he can't
friend.
joke. Me not true, Shana.
And and make sure you not tell nobody else this a story, because they not gonna believe you. You hear
You know
what I'm
how
saying?
hard it is to
Come
come tell you?
down, boy, you're a virgin. I tap walk and talk them there's something there.
So tapping eyes now we are good on.
Alright, come on.
Me a virgin.
Me and you go link up later, you hear?
Come on.
Come on, young. I follow you about this, you hear?
Yes. Not tell nobody, please.
My brother gonna eat this, so you go bust your one seat.
Come on.
Alright, yes, yeah? Yes. Well, good, my friend.
Make sure you're not my best friend.
Chop. Now
Now
you
you
are
are
here.
the best friend. We tell that one day, you know.
She like.
Eh?
Brother.
Oi!
Me have something. Look here, let me work. Me have something to tell her.
No, sir, no people watch it.
Me say no.
How are they?
Me have something to tell her. But promise me say you're not going to tell nobody.
No, sir, me not know about it.
You not trust me,
No, you know me, you know me. I'm not busy with nothing.
Come.
Pink is, you know me. But you tell me to delete out the memory, same time. You have to come back and ask me
You
again.
know what Falan just tell me say a while ago?
So, so.
Swear, you're not going to tell nobody. Come and trust me. No.
See, I'm more than your face.
Look here. Let me get to your point and tell her. Falan.
No, but I follow him, you know. You look bad, you know. Don't follow that girl, you know. Make him give you no money, you know.
Brother, you say chat too much sometime. We cannot listen to me and tell us
Oh,
that sound like
I know money, man. I know money she give you.
Brother, no.
How are them?
My friend says she a virgin. Me say, brother, me nearly pop up when she tell me.
She a virgin?
She a virgin, Mary, she never do no shit. You know, so me shouldn't tell them or something and cause this a woman to woman.
That's it, you know, go to judge people, you know, but she and I say, bad girl, you know.
Chapping, not make sure she not tell nobody, you know.
So, me your brother. Why am I that? You know, so I'm busy with nothing.
Me just feel
No, so I'm not, mad man. Pink is here again.
I second time this
You
one.
know that man, my name is hard.
You better name that
My name,
one.
my name popular, so I don't remember how to spell
This
my
is a
name.
message you have to eat, so you better eat it from now, make it
Still
understand.
talk to reality, sis, but
Stop think about that
Serious,
now.
yeah.
Carl, look here. You see, if you think about it, you go there on your mind. Just not.
yeah,
do
God
like
said
me
she
not
done
tell
brought
you.
you out and everything, but
No, do
surprise
like
me.
everything. Look here, there is a first in everything. At first she had tell me this and as me tell her said, you know, just don't go believe that so.
Yeah, I believe.
I believe, but
I believe, man.
we can't beat what she said.
Yeah, busy still.
Nobody no in here when me I say to you. See, if me hear me name on the road or hear this
Shame.
argument on the road, chap lad, you know what? Me I go out the door.
Yeah, man. That do it, man. Yeah.
You see them back here, me want you to change them when we get money at time, yeah?
Yeah.
Make sure that change them to my shop and stuff.
No, sir, that's me. I each up then.
Alright.
Sir, this sound good to be true. She a virgin. But you look, anybody that look at the girl that thinks that the girl that run road long time. And then the girl a virgin. No, sir, me not believe that. Me? No, sir.
Yo, chop lad.
Chappy.
Oh! How that?
The virgin look. Remember if you don't tell me now.
No, I'm not. Yo!
Chappy, your friend will call you.
Walk on, man.
Where this? Liquor morning.
Morning.
Up on the road there, go.
Brother, I'm just swing by, brother. Right now, I even have nothing to do in idea. Right now, I feel like I chill out. Then I know we can go in idea.
We can go in the bar and go easy back and thing, man.
Right now, boss said me not to come and no work today, brother. Yeah, brother, I hope me this.
That's the best time, man. Can go jump on the street, man.
Mm.
I mean, I don't need that. You see me?
I said, I never put on breakfast, could I?
No, I don't. I like tea, bush tea, boy.
Brother, boss, when you pay me this week, you know, I wonder.
Don't worry about that, man. That at least I problem. Come here, you know.
Alright.
Shayna!
Yeah, no, my friend, God knows star, yo.
Shayna, me soon come here!
Yes.
I went there.
She's gone inside.
I'm not so far right now.
Come here, man.
I'm boss, I say, you know.
Father.
But yeah, I'm a J, man.
Yeah,
No, man.
yeah.
I'm a bad dog, man.
Take up.
How you, man?
Alright.
But there, no. You want to come?
Yeah, nah, man, out.
Okay.
Yeah, strong over there. Oh, I see what I want, man.
62.
Yeah, man, city
No
like.
drink at 62.
Yeah, man.
Let's see, I buy a large drink for this one.
Yo, Elder, what you drink?
Yeah, no, so I rum and water, man, a bit.
I run my water for Ella there, here.
Alright.
Yeah, I take care of Ella, let me know.
That cool there.
Can we soon tell Ella too?
That's your God.
You know, so there's something to tell us.
See.
See, you know something, I can't believe it out of me eye.
So that's him to me, my friend.
When we get to we talk, alright?
No, man, you can't talk. You
No
know,
man, no jack short reason man, cause this is what you need to get I half fight like just like come and get frost half fight. Yeah.
Then that means you're good at the fly already then, man.
I see you sitting man.
Take out my bag then, cause I come like I sit next to side, you know, brother.
Yeah, share that drink, but make it man, make it.
Yeah, why come you in trip?
I don't know nothing for me worry about, my friend. I'm not like
Sitting for your
jail.
move too.
I'm not like jail, I'm not
No,
like
that's
police.
no man, that's jail man. See if you move too man.
Yo, let's get to the point, man.
So get to the point man. Wait no man, the room
No,
serve.
everything
Share water pan is on. Oh, yeah. Oh. But auntie, look far around one. What you do?
Brother, top watch that, brother. Just give me one night run, brother. Alright, you know.
You look, you get way.
Yeah, alright.
Ah.
So, brother,
What do you want? Boom, I want.
Energy drinks.
Alright.
one in a black bag.
Yeah.
Alright. How would me have it?
Energy drinks one.
Okay.
I
One
see
night
you,
back.
I see you, man, them here, talk.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's all good, my friend, man.
20 stop, you know.
You know, say my sister.
Cause me no want Johnny Road, me no.
Yeah, that good. You know, say my
Alright.
sister tell me a thing.
What go on now?
Serious.
Serious, somebody
But
violate
you want
your sister,
you
brother.
want for the thing.
You drink that, man. No, no want to, you know.
Oh.
Me not charge you for that.
Go chew water.
Brother.
We can't have
Yeah.
a reason we come for race, you know.
Never, yeah, man. You man not come here, rum.
No,
Yeah.
I can't go give man.
No, man,
Okay.
big man, come for your rum.
No, come for your rum
You're
there.
sitting for tell me, no, big man.
Yeah, how much man, more blessing,
Good,
man.
man.
Lord,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Don't know badness, man.
Cheers,
More
man.
cheers, man. More
Yeah.
love, man.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Yeah.
Don't know, man.
Yeah.
That is it.
I say,
Yeah,
go
I
to your
say-
sister, my friend.
You know what my sister tell me say?
Mm.
Fear for them. Virgin! What? Yes, virgin! Good virgin!
Hold on there, brother. Make I take a seat. What you say, they go on?
And me can't believe when she tell me say,
Brother, you know, see a lie she a tell.
brother, look at the girl look bored, pa. The girl like road long time. When they come and say, brother, me have something to tell you. You know, so this friend tell me say, she a virgin. Me say, what?
Yo, Chappy, don't worry yourself, man. Everything go good, man.
He said, me have to tell nobody, no. Tell nobody, no. Like,
Yes, if
so me a good virgin, me tell you, no.
No, but yo, go plan a thing.
Why, Nick, me not too like a virgin. I mean, assing and tossing them. Can't bother with that. Better somebody go do it for me.
Brother, me like virgin, brother.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
So what about it?
Brother, you see when you get virgin, brother, I make you lucky.
Eh?
Yeah. How are you, brother?
Yeah,
How you
sir.
feel my grandfather get rich? The man that get him virgin from him virgin was 13.
Eh?
Yes, brother.
I don't tell me anything, man.
The man they rich for a long time, brother. So right now, brother, would I want a virgin girl to brother? You see me? Yeah.
Well, anyway, it's just simple that sound good, cause all I want to get rid of too.
Brother, that's cool now, man. Remember what go on, you know. You know say you not like virgin, you know, but me hear the talk like you want to come like, brother, 100,000 to 100,000, brother.
Yeah, right.
I want the first thing on the market, brother.
100,000, man.
Yeah, brother.
I want to get rich.
Brother, that's cool, yeah, man. Me like virgin, I watch, you know. I'm going, square girl sexy and nice.
Yes, man, nah, tell a lie, she brown. She brown.
English pound.
Yeah.
That's cool, now, man.
But you know when I think say somebody bad, that me I think I'm bad, but when sister tell me say, yo, you get a virgin, me say, God.
Brother, how dear, man, we go tackle the girl, man. That's not worry yourself, man.
Boy, because much as I see so I walk it with you know. Still not believe she a virgin, I feel say, I like she a tell me sister, you know.
Brother, I know some believe you, brother. What's that talks, brother? I know say girl wicked, you know, brother.
What you mean, man?
But more than one sample girl, you know. What you talk about, man? From our chair, no picket. In land, no get raped up yet.
Anybody first
Brother.
go know. If me go there first, me go and tell her, say,
Brother, remember say we in the
virgin.
street. Long time if a girl
Yeah.
a touch, we know when him a
We know.
touch. What do you, man? Remember say we are chemists, you know. What do you, man? I'm a grandfather teach me.
One arm move. If you're a virgin, one arm move.
And guess what make
If
you
I'm a
have to
virgin,
move
one arm
fast?
stay.
You see what make you have to move fast?
Yeah.
You virgin, them very rare.
And if she's a virgin,
Which God you go and hear say you're a virgin? All if a virgin Mary, a virgin.
my girl nobody's a
Alice.
virgin. And if she says you're a virgin, that's the best thing. But guess what now? We gonna find out.
Brother, me there roll with 5 pack of boots. See?
Yeah, we don't believe you know.
So
But
if
we
you
gonna
drop
find out.
short pan catch, me can give you one of the boots them.
Yeah,
Even do a competition we
Sister, we can go and get from a farmer.
Oh, we don't know how to protect ourselves in the
Yeah.
street, you know. Although she says she not
a
touching.
virgin, but you know what can happen.
Yes!
Because we don't want to go there and catch a big age.
And he say I'm a virgin as I go there one time.
One time we got-
Ambulance come here, yeah. No man, me fret and dead man. Yo, you better me know say sitting do me different man, but nobody me no want that, me no want that.
Auntie,
Brother. But watch I go
we never tell Tano here so.
I know that's not a
We
business.
don't Tano here so. Just connect your being
That's not a business enough for me to start some rum bar can already.
Watch that. You
Man,
man,
cat, man, that rum
nervous.
bar.
So big man.
Me know about the rum bar.
You ready?
Right now mission starting now, brother, car. Get
But
things
me sorry for you,
in,
no.
brother.
I'm a yard for she coming up.
Yeah, but big man thing, see?
100 to 100. 200
As a
200 I alone have
nigga,
enough.
as a nigga, you make me know this. You see me? See, you're a virgin, but watch your style, my friend.
The body is rolling pan you know.
move, you know.
Eh?
No, man, you think like yourself.
Alright, man.
What do you, man? You know, do you think already?
You can make your first move in the boat.
Yeah.
Wish your luck.
Alright.
Wish your luck. And wish me luck too.
Mommy just tell we be. You pay a bill
Yeah, man,
already?
pay a bill already, man.
man.
Yeah, man. Yo, elder.
Elder,
Bless up
pick up yourself, you know if you have a
Choppy.
big man talk, you see.
man.
Yo, look come on, you know.
Yeah, man.
What you
know
do
what
a
thing
100, you
going
know.
on.
Alright,
For
then.
yourself, man. But see, I work me not going on. I'm trying to stay so now. So what you know? We just go grow on me, I go change off, beard off and
I
bust
want
love
your
and
man
touch the road.
clean.
You know I go here.
That is it. Remember the 100 to 100.
For yourself, man. You never see her before me. For yourself. Anything you hear, object bingo.
Alright.
Just give me money come here.
I wonder if water gone. For every minute, water gone. Happy use my pan and don't wash out, you know. Me tell him if it's buy one pan for himself, you know. They not here. Tell me why me pan I can't wash you.
Shayna.
Oi, nothing. Oh. Hey, look so
What you
suspicious.
do?
Me I get some water for wipe off my slippers them.
Come down.
You clean them off for me?
No, I'm not. I have man. Come here.
So you just
No,
come
me
ahead,
have a
mister.
car.
One all of a sudden you're so nice, you come out and put my pan.
Yes, you go do again.
My slippers them, me say me I go wipe off.
go on,
Me go wipe off the white one first. So you just come and take up the pan, might as well you wipe off you see me, you know.
This alone you wipe off.
I have 4 more left.
No, this alone me wipe off. This alone me wipe off here. Cause I want to look.
So you come and just want to wipe off my slippers. I don't know my food I want later.
No, no other food. Read the food.
Sour. You get money.
Money. No money.
Sour, you're so nice. You brother.
And your friend, why I do a thing?
Look, me wipe off.
No, listen me out. Listen me out. We know say.
Say me never want to tell her nothing. They must say.
No, because me think about it and think I say. She could have been a nice virgin wife.
You better stop thinking crap. Give me slip.
No, listen to me now.
Choppy, me not laugh with you now.
Listen to me. Me and sister, you're supposed to can't do anything for me.
But no.
Me can't pay you. Me have money, me can't pay you.
Oh, so you want to come take my friend? You have to pay me for. Me set up my friend for you?
20,000.
No. Me and your brother, me don't tell her already. Say she's like.
Come on.
No, chop lad.
I never wanted to. But I'm going to eat by myself. You know, me never wanted to. You know.
No, say from me see you come there so and come take up your pan. Me know you're up to something.
No, serious thing.
No, me not do that. Me not do that.
What me?
You're too hot and bright.
I bet if I didn't pay you, want man, would I just do a thing for you?
Me not go come to you for look man. Me can't look man myself.
I know say go this real. You have to do links. I have my links.
When you look work, you deal with links. She's not a work. Me not line you upon my friend. Next thing you go breed her, you hear say.
No, me not go breed her. You can't you get from pharmacy, me can't use it.
Take your mind off of them, you know. And me I go carry them guy pipe and make sure say me blow up water in a hall of
That's
them.
why I never wanted to because I know say this you come with enough.
If you they plan for use them for my friend, me not set you up chop lad. Me not run them bedroom.
Hey, yeah, sister. It's supposed to be easy.
You woulda like if I were me and she set me up on her brother or something. You woulda like that?
No, because I really want my man to choose, so nothing wrong with that.
Give me my slipper. Choppy, give me my. Choppy, give me my slippers. Give me my things. Tie your things and me there run down joke.
Come here, let me explain something to you.
It's not a matter of who a man or who you want a woman like her dry peas on water.
No, because you get the man I use, you don't know man. When I try to get a woman, you don't want to get the
And I
girl.
save them for you blow them when I party.
When I blow more, I'm blowing pan she.
Blow pound, but chop lad blow.
No, I mean use the pan she.
That's why I'm glad me take my slippers from you, because I know you blow off your whiteness off.
Come on, do something to me, man.
Get a laps.
We can't pay you. My sister ain't supposed to do anything for me.
Choppy, you know, say your sister not short of nothing. No, I'm not short of no money. You
No, you short. No, one thing you short.
If
It's
my friend
one
a look
thing.
man, my
No,
friend
you short
a look-
one thing.
You don't even like beard and you want me set you up on my friend. My friend is very sensitive. Like, oh, laugh, not show me, if you want bex, you bex. So, me not feel bex when you come and tell me about my friend, but as me tell you, the truth always hurt. Can't find a water come that can use my beard and my slippers, me I use the wipe off. Your face, you and bright, boy, you want my friend. But I go and go look Gala Road. And if you can't mind yourself, go for my friend. Let me catch you, put your eye on my friend again and you see sitting at that you there pray. And Choppy, you're bright. Choppy, can't back your bad pan because you have 4 slippers left to wipe off. Not like his style, you know. Choppy, can't back your pan. Chop, lad.
Can't tell you call me.
That's what somebody be here. As me tell about being you come on and they come wash and my friend still not go want you. You know my part pan now, come matter.
Where, a bad man, because she no bad no want you.
Me no business where you want, so me nah set you up on my friend. I'm in a run go be a Choppy, you still not get my friend. Cause nasty down you can't find boy you want at Gala Road, you better go.
You don't see I be there, nobody no want you.
You don't worry about me, now watch your sister. Watch yourself, you can't get no Gala Road and want your little sister to line you up on Gala Bear. What? Pan him to boy want my friend, a virgin him want. A virgin him want, me sorry so me didn't tell him nothing. Make him stay there for he say follow no virgin. As far as me tell him sitting and get trick, easy if he swallow pill. Very big like in chop.
Hello.
Who is you?
Hey, baby, I piercing them, I see them and I like your piercing them in front of far, them a glisten in my eye like diamond in a baby. Boy, you look good though. Like you know two come out. I mean him Squaddy, you know, aka Nicky, you know, baby. All the piercing up on your ears, baby. You don't want the pretty so.
For me to know, for you not to find out.
Boy, baby, me not tell you, you look good like he's an angel sent from heaven, though.
Not for you.
Boy, you look good still, in a baby. Me not tell you, I'm with a bowl and make a ricket still, you know.
No, Brian Lara, don't come cross.
Spins, you know.
Spinners, a doxy I go for.
No, man, anyhow, I try fastball, man, a problem, man. Big woman thing still, me not tell no lie, man. You look good, man.
We can't take it talking.
Right now, I like you already and I just don't even know you.
I'm well thirsty.
God know, I'm full of money, baby. What you want, baby?
Talk to me then.
I'm full of money, man. I mean your money, Jesus, baby.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, talk about, man. Really
You
like
know, see
your
at first
piercing.
somebody say you like me piercing
God
them?
no, I need a piercing alone, me
No,
like,
people
baby.
say they don't like me piercing.
Like a whole heap
Say
of
they
things
don't
about you.
like. But
no.
me tell them say you can't have so much piercing and be independent.
Just cool, baby, man. No worry
That they
about
fi
that,
know,
man.
cause they not cheap.
I said they're not cheap.
No.
Can pay
I
for
mean, never
one
big
right
get
now.
them.
Can pay for one right now, you know, baby.
Oh, Jesus again.
Yeah, man, me have it though, you know, man. You know, can't make you go out to drink at one bar.
No,
so,
me not thirsty.
God no.
Give me money, me buy drinks.
Hey, baby. My
You
phone.
see, you know mean you don't watch no face.
My phone, me I look for, you know.
Fidua,
You know, say your number, me want, baby.
a 3-digit me number have.
I mean, say 3-digit your number have.
You want to guess them?
One day I left my phone around at the shop there.
811911.
811911.
Back and front and
Can't
back.
find my phone, baby. What kind of
And
what kind of
Kingfish
thing
12. Anyone them with the 3, call them.
Wow, baby. See me find my phone and I'm gonna need a number, baby.
You have to pay for it.
Wow, that's no problem. How
Plus
much?
thing me not have no phone.
Watch out. That's all money, baby.
A iPhone 16 Pro Max me want, you know.
I number me I get, baby. You're not ready for no iPhone.
Number money that?
Yeah, just number
Alright.
money. So just put the number in it, the right number. Right number, baby.
If you call and not get me, no worry yourself, you know.
Yes,
Me not have to answer.
Alright, no problem then, man. No, man, no there.
And me don't owe you.
No, man, you look good, baby.
And I write us up on the road, me see you don't know me, you don't come, you don't know, you don't follow back at me.
Tell us your name, Squaddy Man, aka Nick, man. Money Jesus, man.
Money, oh Jesus,
Man, out there,
again.
man. Want to change the ear that to money, you see me?
You like me hairstyle?
Yes, I like your hairstyle. To another piercing, me not tell you already. I'll look one day.
Thank you.
All the diamond tattoo.
Well, me can't
baby.
stay too long with you, you know.
Yeah?
You have to pay for me stay longer.
So when we can meet up again, baby?
Me not sure about that. Can't promise you.
Why, mama, one thing go, you look like virgin, though.
What you know about me?
Fresh out of pack.
You don't know nothing about me. I never tell you anything.
Yeah, man, you look like
You hear
Virgin
something?
Mary.
You hear something?
Yeah, man, me I look on a nice Virgin Mary, man. I
Mary,
talk about, man.
this one not gonna have a baby boy.
Yeah, man, girl, too.
No twin, no triplet, or quadruplet.
You be no worry yourself, man. Everything is all good. man.
Okay, because I daycare you, I look for run.
No, but me I say, yo, he's a nice princess, man. And me I say, God, no. All of them, man, a boy, really want to follow you, go, you go.
You can't follow me, so me I go. And I look like a death, so you did a go. Look, but don't touch, you know.
Alright, baby, me go call her, yeah?
Call me if you want to.
Yeah,
if
man.
you please.
I remember, you know, money Jesus, if you see my name as, you know.
Oh Jesus.
Yeah. Yeah.
You still not gonna get the best of me, you know.
Alright, big up yourself and your piercing in a baby car, right? You know, me not mind, me just waste, hey. I'll call you, yeah?
You make sure say you know no more to talk and teeth a blender, you know.
No, man, me just want bowl out and make a ricket, man.
Huh?
Yes.
Me make your bread too, but at two
And
side.
that's why me a bowl spins. Me know why you out with down ducks, you know. You see me? Me that's why the first one, 6 runs. You see
That's
me?
why I never used to like cricket and me I just like football me play. Defense. Defense mode me depend.
Why you look like a netballer?
Oh, me not shoot no 3-pointer.
One whole if you boom you like basketball. Check a cricket or tennis this. One more.
I check. How much money here? 1 month. 51 time. That nobody. Never go tell my friend Shane this. And me go answer him call. I go look if you should have followed him, you know. I should have make him follow me when he say follow me. Actually, I never check his money, you know, as he say so much. Because I know say more there where that day. More there where that come from. Come see Kyle. I go tell Shane right now.
Alright, now that one here, now. Pack ready to bombard you out. Come like Choppy Devil stand a chance, brother. Yo. Right now when mama see bread to bombard, it come like mama would have butter bread out. Yo. Choppy not a chance. Easy bad deal.
Shayna! Hi! Goodness!
Outside. Where you go buy food and come back? or a cake?
Home to your brother.
Go on round now, around your bathroom there.
We be there already.
So you come on so far. Move up yourself and go, man. That's
Somebody
no.
want to see me.
That's somebody you want to see, but you don't have joy to see him.
See my call too.
But hey, nobody come call to my friend. Not pay no mind. But I ride him.
You better ride him or ride him alone. Alright then, so. Girl,
Where you say I go on?
me have something to tell you, me say. See my blow kiss there, move.
Chaplat, make you not go on round.
Better go piss and wash your foot and
Let me
better
see.
here.
Chaplat, go on round, Chaplat. You know when a woman time. Not pay no mind, come you know I get some enough, you
Don't
know.
forget to read the Bible.
Must you see you come with the box in your hand, you come enough up himself.
Nothing in the field.
Fella, not even
Anyways,
up.
me have something to tell you. This is one I can't keep it to myself.
Like really,
Come make
girl?
your wife out of here, them so big. Me never know see it.
Come, no make my brother here.
And enough too. Your brother, I not top peep.
I must have peeping Tom.
Somebody might have juke me in here like a one man named
One
Freddy.
man may I come.
Where me care?
I want to go baptize, she go tell me say she go baptize, you know. Something, she up to something. I hope I don't know church, she a plan to go. Why you look for search the ackee tree for you start up me yet? The mango tree young blossom.
Blossom can ya? Me say, look here. Girl,
Anytime you have tour, give me a carry me under ackee tree. Fall under ackee tree your mother get you?
no, cause she left my neighbor tree.
My mother.
Look here, wait, let me put on my food. Look here. Wait, no.
Let me hold the bag for
Where
Where you get this? Fall where you get so much money from?
Me a go with this one, me left here and go around there, so. Meet to a man named Money Jesus, aka Squaddy. Me say,
Jesus.
check it, look there.
Squaddy.
Check it for me. Check this for me for no 50 that one time. Check that, lock up me. Give me, give me.
Falan.
Give me back now, no?
Squaddy, aka Money Jesus.
Yes, and he take me number and he say I will call me. Me tell him say maybe me no answer, but when me see money, me go answer him.
And you say you're a virgin.
Happiness, me go give you some. Wait there. Me count too much.
You know, say,
Cause
Squaddy, Money Jesus. One day for chop.
wait, look a bit, me I give you two of them. You know hear what me
You know,
say?
easy at all, you know. Watch ya. Virgin
that.
a chop line.
It's a look like a virgin from head to toe.
Falan. I wish part pan you look like virgin. You really look pan you and say you look like virgin.
I am in.
That the man they blind. Mumu
Look how
cook
me
that.
leg lock up. Look how me tight and bone and set right. He ain't blind.
So that he look pan and say you're a virgin.
How you mean?
You could not even use two man, you know.
There's the black eye berry sweet eye juice. You don't worry about that. There is more where that money came from, and I'm going to get it.
And I'll be waiting for more, my friend.
Yes, and I'm going to wait on that call. He said, me if you follow back at him. Him did go follow back at me. And I said, no. Was it you? Make him one.
No follow back on nobody.
I hard forget me the play. Hard forget. And me get
Look
money
here,
easy.
Man,
Lord
you hold you
Jesus.
down. And that me I tell you.
Follow down.
Follow back at them here.
I'm taking money. Me one knife to tap that, you know.
Falan, you don't need no knife. Just call me, girl. You know, say me fight for you any
Alright.
day, anytime.
See that?
Anybody. We fight for you. Not to worry
but wait,
yourself.
Shayna, how your first time feel?
Falan. Hello. I don't think you're the thing for give man peace already.
I can't
So
use my
quick.
brain do things, you know. My brain can't do things, I don't know what else I do it. My
Falan.
brain can't do it active.
Falan, you see, as a virgin, you know, just see one man and start think about the first time with them. You hear me, I tell you? I remember me tell you, say, the first time, it go hot little bit, but girl,
Jesus.
not even little bit, a whole heap of hot, it go
Jesus.
hot. So take your mind and fight if you not do it yet and try chop a line some more for me and you.
So-
boy, you want to later
Oh,
me
man,
tell
that
you
devil-
rest. Girl, you see, when you get feel like it, it go nice. You go feel like you don't want to stop do it, girl.
And you
Yeah.
get enough more money.
The money go always come if you get money before you do it, you know, so when you do it, you go get enough of money.
Of course.
Girl. Benz and all that.
Me no want pregnant.
You know, if you pregnant, me look pregnant here. A long time me I do it. And me no dash when no belly. Me no have no belly because me never hungry.
You're a veteran in your business.
Oh, me have-
You have got to teach me what you know then.
Me play bat up and bat with enough time.
You have got to teach me butter pan
You
back
have
with
to
you.
sight. Sight and then sitting there. Back up is a tens.
Sight,
Remember
not
me
taking
tell
a
you.
middle sight.
No, sight fall and if you take in a middle, them are going to lick out your custom. And you are going
So how me go get for do it then if I not miggle it go?
Falan, left that alone as a virgin, you know, for your
But you say go sweet me. So when you sweet, what we fi do?
We will tell you later, you hear? You see, after you, when you reach that bridge there, you will cross it. Tap
Alright.
think about man now, girl.
I want big bridge.
It depends on your bridge where you reach. For me, I feel your bridge and I'm going to see a bridge, my love.
Alright.
So my bridge, them small.
Remember, nobody tell nobody my business.
Me nah go tell nobody your business. And nobody go give it so easy. Cause remember, me tell you say go at. For the first time, go at.
Me I think about it, come like me I imagine.
And listen, want to take your money because you may go do it for the first time and feel like you don't want to do it again to owe at.
Yeah, but now I go get no more money for that, so better me just continue to take the money and not do it then.
You go get the money.
Ready that money, you know.
Just don't worry yourself, my friend. Keep up your virgin self.
Yeah,
Me
girl.
not graduate do Me not graduate do
Me not graduate either.
Ah.
Me still I get me still a virgin.
Cause you have whole
Virgin, me tell him, man. But me see that man then just look like a jack way. I go just call me in jail.
His name not add up for some reason, but as you say, me can be.
He name Money Jesus. What more you want to know?
Money Jesus. Falan, which woman they give them pick the name Money Jesus? You have to use your head to me.
And that he said upon the birth paper.
Oh, you're a virgin for true. Can you that
And that he said upon the
birth paper?
birth
He not dep on
paper.
the birth paper, Falan. Which Money Jesus? He not give one next name.
He said AKA squad in that last name.
AKA mean alias. Anything where you want fling behind your real name.
Lord.
And that AKA mean.
You have to go teach me more. Come on.
Like when you have extended family.
Tell me more about
Come on.
the next part here.
Me say, girl, you see they have something named condom. You see that? They say,
Like a balloon.
Yeah, girl. Some people like use it and some don't like to use it.
So
But-
if me not use what happen to me?
And that's how the breed are going to come in. You will breed and another that alone. STD, AIDS and all it. Big they wait for you.
It protect you from all of that.
It protect you from all of
Well,
that.
me I go buy enough for them for when my time come.
You know what, yeah? By for your time to come, then they expire and rat now and bust up. Leave condom argument alone, because you don't want that. You know say you're a virgin.
Yes, me not say me a virgin. I am a virgin.
Well, act like a virgin. You don't come talk about condom. Nobody got to make no. You even should have know one name, so.
Why me should I know when me make people fool me a road?
Look here, virgin not think about condom and sex and all kind of stuff.
But she no more feel where I feel to every talk you talk about it, you're green, watch there.
Because it's a nice feeling, but at the end of the day, you never start. So why you bother start for Virgin Mary?
Sometimes me have some feelings, like they want to strangle me.
You feel heat down there? No, so this serious. Look here, girl. You see,
Me pray, me beard,
Falan, look
it
here.
can not help me.
Falan, just take that off of your mind now. Me go and do
How you fi tell your man finna do something?
No, but look here, you ready to lose your virginity? You ready, Falan? Falan, you can manage it, Falan?
Me a bit, me
You can manage it, Hagani? Falan, some of them are money ride rough. Let me tell you from now. Me not
so I like princess, like a kiss, like princess.
Yeah, girl, all of that tonight, girl. But when it come on to the part when you say gone in there, girl, you broke loose again.
You say you want to feel
So
it.
me frightened.
Feel the thing.
Feel like front the drum.
Me say me
Sister,
almost collapse in her bed.
feel it.
If me didn't look at me father that beat me say me piece bed.
Yes,
And me
you
big me no piece bed.
Girl,
When me look at that feed me sitting there when them sauce up hot, me no piece bed.
so Falan,
That piece bed
let
long
me
time.
ask you one question.
Like I want who have down the Shana?
And you feel like somebody there upon you, and then look where they adopt they ride you.
No.
Adopt, Falan, adopt. You know, they said adopt while you down in your sleep sometime, and you can't get wet.
But you did feel good.
Enough
then I
dead
go-
girl try that with man, and enough dead boy try that with girl. You hold it down in your sleep,
Shana,
probably had
but
that.
you did feel good. I don't know.
You
Say
feel good.
Yeah.
You feel like a that when me a talk about a go on.
So we go make it me come back.
Imagine in a real life how you feel, girl, because if you
Me,
dream,
no, don't with that. I know don't with
so
that.
you ain't like a dream. You did like that a dream then?
Yeah, but you feel one way.
Well, you go like it then, from you like a dream. Yeah, you go feel one way for
You give me one weird feeling, you know.
weird feeling come with it, but nicer feeling come after, girl.
Alright.
Me go tell you about one part where you see when the part they come, girl, you know want that part if it done. But guess what? Me and you have to talk about that when we there have two juice are sitting.
We
Tell
can
about
go.
that sweet part there, girl. That part is sweetie, you know want that part if it done. Yeah,
Alright.
girl.
Remember, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, one book I'm read, you understand more?
Yeah, you go reason.
I mean, think about something, I can call you, ask you.
Yeah, girl, and you can check me as
So
usual.
suppose buck up back for Money Jesus.
Make him give you money and you tell me everything when tell us say.
Who see you say you have a balloon them?
You dey plan to give him something for land, no
You
give
have to tell me
nothing.
so if you that me for
No
use and
give him,
be
no
safe.
give him, no. Yeah, tell him say no, you're not ready. Tell him just every time tell him say you're not ready, you're not ready.
Alright.
You're not ready.
Like when me say go and collect your money and when they come to that you done.
Yes,
Alright.
yes, no give up. No
Alright. Follow me go out here so. Thanks for your encouragement, yeah.
Remember now.
Behave now.
They cannot watch me and you.
Him not abstain, that's why I'm a fear drink Cersei.
Sense, you hear me, friend?
Believe you.
We're right. We link up here.
Yeah, wicked sister me okay.
Watch me and you, Chappy.
You mean what?
Watch me and you. You know, see, you're not easy.
What me do?
You go a road, go chat off your mouth, don't it? As people
say
tell
that?
you sitting here for run, go chat off your
What me say?
big mouth. I mean, so what you say? Who name Squaddy Money Jesus?
Who?
You know, have one little dusty foot friend named Squaddy. And then nothing more than two you want, my
Who
friend.
name Squaddy?
Chappy, you know, have one virgin named Squaddy.
Yeah, but virgin name Nick me no bonus Squaddy. I want virgin me have and Nick will come here.
You know, have one virgin.
No, Shane and Nick will always come
So
and name
they
Nick.
not call Nick Squaddy.
No.
You see you, and then in the come add about money, Jesus, pan if you get my friend. Look here, if
Listen. I want name me have and a Nick. Me no know bonus Squaddy.
Chappy, you know.
No, Shane, I no know bonus Squaddy. Me know about Nick.
You not tell nobody, say my friend.
No.
Virgin. So applaud you lie.
But
So
let me tell you,
son.
you know say that girl there wicked enough. Me tell you say that girl there run.
friend
See,
no,
I
no.
said she said you
A
up.
wicked, but you want her do, you want go under her skirt. But listen, your friend know my friend long time, don't it? So what make her know? What make her
Shane,
know?
listen to me. Me no know nobody when name Squaddy where you want call it.
Chappy,
And first and foremost, my friend, me not believe say my friend would want your friend.
what make? I know what, and she not have something with your friend that want.
Look how long him and him.
So look how long you know.
Bobby girl take him man for rank somebody.
Yo, we got tell your friend them and the
Shane,
same way they we see her, chop lad.
Me not do that.
Chop
Me not
And you do that, me, you not gonna have no peace in your yard, you know, you know that, you know, choppy.
See there, me kiss the grass.
I'm busy, I could have man kiss puppy.
Man, she make up story about this Squaddy, but me don't know nobody name Squaddy.
She not make up no
I mean
story.
the street every day. Me don't know nobody
You
name
know,
so.
make me believe too.
What?
You never used to behave some type of way when my friend come in. All of a sudden, you the peep down the place.
And she give me eye
eye.
contact, so me say why not give it a shot?
You
And
got
she looking at me eye.
You have money? A money man, my friend get eye contact, and you don't have dollar, you're broke now. Take care of my friend.
So
and
you have money.
No worry about if me have money. Look here.
My money is your money, and your money is my
It's
money.
my money.
No. I
Look
mean,
here,
thief
my
out that. You
pension
thief
is
out the
mine.
money.
No, thief.
What pension? My business with your pension.
No, thief me
Say
money.
come, you're the hungry then.
Hungry, I forgot kill your ass for now, because you have your eyes for my friend, and I don't like that.
No, me not be hype.
I don't like that, brother. You're the guy who will chat off your mouth as me tell you.
Shane, I'm not tell nobody. Look how me and Nick are close friends. You think me not tell Nick this in there? No.
You see, if she come again and tell me, say, no, my man, I look her.
Ask him if or the person look. I see if I'm not different somebody.
I have friend. I want to
Ask him how the person look.
Don't chat
Are you
me.
gonna see?
Come go on in.
You want like say me I tell a lie.
No.
Ask him how the person
No,
look.
everything good. No, tell her nothing again, I just that.
But oh my friend that who have money. My friend just a come here.
Yeah, run go bed.
We have to depend on you, depend on people them see me.
Let's
Who
go
find
in
money?
and talk, make up your eat and eyes in our place. Let's go on this party and go chop land. Go on.
What's here?
Daddy.
Good morning, you're gone.
Morning, evening, Addy, everyone Addy.
How are you? They running your friend?
Yes, Daddy. Take a look walk and the walk take long.
Hope your friend not lead in the wrong direction.
No, Daddy, my friend a good influence.
Good influence, alright. You know what more you do for me, my daughter? What make you not give a life to God, eh? Just get rid of some of them something there. You understand the piercing them? You know what I say? I only think me see where you follow your mother with them and I like, you know, 'cause every time I look upon you, I remember your mother. You understand?
Daddy, you never love me, mother.
Well, I love your mother, but your mother love the street. I tell you the honest truth. You understand?
Yes, Daddy.
But as me say, I love how you grew up. You know, love street, none at all. You understand?
I'm ask you where me can go out when me a go.
Yes, me love that boy. You understand?
Daddy, remember, see you grow me up the right way, you know.
Yeah, man. Well, listen, enough children grew up right, you know. As some of them grew up in a church. And if you see how they turn out and what they do, you understand?
True,
It's
Daddy.
abomination unto them parents.
Daddy, you see him once and a judge a book by the cover.
Oh, God. Real talk. Why you go see if you can help yourself? You
Yeah,
understand?
me hungry and I get
man,
some.
me-
Me have some more eat, but in a tea too still and me dash you away.
Or yourself. Some look at mackerel and rice and something there. Just go and help yourself.
Alright, daddy.
You understand?
Me tell you, mackerel tea, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. It's gonna work out. You understand? I soon get big enough to start work. We're going to buy some grocery in my place too.
Yes, daddy.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna look at work for you as soon as possible. Why? If only the mother did stick around. That better. Sometimes rough, you know. Sometimes rough. But I come far with the grace of God and I continue. Sister, come here, I want to talk to you. Come on.
Every minute you there, me do. You can't go look at a woman and left her sister alone. Every minute you have to me door.
So who me fi call?
Find another door for knock chop lad.
Yeah, my sister and you me fi call.
You can't allow one next
If me
man
sick,
to
if me
knock on
sick
the door.
and you go on the day, nobody is not going to day. So don't me know you are going to suffer.
One strange man come knock me door. No make me door knock again and I you. Where you want?
No man, no one say that.
Oh, woman, where are you? Where you want? You call me out of her.
John, put in your word for me for your friend.
My friend now want you.
Just listen me out now, listen me out now. Listen me out now. Listen me out. Just put in your word for me, man. Alright? Me and your brother, you know. So anything me want, you're supposed to provide it for me.
That you call me out of a chop lad. You can not be itself me put in word for you.
Share that,
So
my
you
beard.
start being often because you feel say me go put in word for you.
What more you fi do?
No bother with it because you see. One little thing me tell you.
You come and sit me used to here, you can't do one thing
Me
for me.
no business. Me talking about my friend made me right
Where
here.
your friend now, no man? I'm in now, no man.
So why no woman no want you? Nobody no want you. So what make you feel
Alright,
say my
match
friend
that.
no want you? Chopper, look here. I one little thing my friend tell me, you know. And me just pinch you tell you, you shut off your mouth.
Me not share, me not tell nobody. Better say me not tell nobody.
Me nah, me can't put in no words here for my friend. Me sorry, me sorry, me sorry. Me
What me?
sorry. You can't look woman a road, random girl a road. You will see all the family them and them.
Can't
with
miss
them
your yesterday.
Choppy.
You have black traffic, you know?
Me a block your traffic? How about when me tell you something and you dey walk and spread the news? How about that?
Me not tell no-
Eh?
Sheila, me not tell
How
nobody.
about you telling me the truth then?
Footballer.
What go on the road one time me tell you my friend business. You understand nothing? And one way alone me I go help you. And if you tell me the truth, say you never tell a friend or you did tell him for truth. That's the only way I can help you to get my friend right now. Me dead serious.
Listen, make it hard.
If you tell me truth, you chat off your friend with my name Squaddy. What is it? Money Jesus, my foot. Because you ain't broke then over money Jesus. You're not telling
Man, the broke,
nothing.
man. The man, the broke.
So you laugh so.
And name when give you, listen, let me tell him for true, man.
Can't you want to get my friend? You tell him, you tell him
name
for
when
true.
use, but I think he ain't real name.
No, you have your contact, but you tell him for true. You know, but my friend.
Let's say, if you tell the truth, I'm going to tell you the truth. And you have one, so.
So make it
No,
true.
I name when you, but I have to laugh. I never know about any of the money Jesus and we want to call him. You know him as Nick. Squaddy.
You see, so chap lad, all along me access say, you tell him, you just say no, because me know say, something no add up,
I mean, you have
all
been-
of a sudden, my friend, they come back, bow man, they look him and, with, look here,
Yeah,
if you know what you're
please,
doing
me
now.
beg you. Put in your
I'm
my sister and supposed to support me in anything me I do. If me I jump, if you say no jump.
I go forgive you if you go chat off your mouth, you know. But let me tell you this, you know. You see, me line up you for my friend and you hurt my friend, me now go forgive you if you get
Oh, God,
that,
no,
you know.
Shana, me nah
And
hurt nobody,
listen,
man.
nobody feel say me just go set up yourself. It will go come with a cost, it will cost you.
What?
Go want a piece of food, a nice piece of food.
How much?
At least 200
Dog.
Awa, no, you're not bother get her then.
Alright, deal. Tomorrow you get,
Where you go get the money from, forgive me.
don't worry yourself. Tomorrow make you get it half, and then make you get your rest.
And look here, me no want you go road go tell your friends, say, me I go line up your for my
You
sister.
mad?
Me change my mind. I want half my money or 3/4 money first.
Tomorrow you get half, just put in your word for me. You go get it half tomorrow, and you get your rest.
And listen, me forgive you once, you know, chop lad, and nobody feel like say.
Always a
If
forgive,
you
man.
shake up
You know what I'm
yourself
saying?
this
But say me
time,
like your brother, you know. You're supposed to do anything for me, you know.
me forgive you for free. So you have to go pay me.
You don't get the
for
money
line
tomorrow,
up
man.
this. Yes,
I cheat time kind of. Asking the you know really. Go for your money, bring come here. Tomorrow you get it, man. See the kiss the cross again.
Me go call her.
You call her?
No people over on my phone, because me change my mind. I'm going to call her. See which part she if she can come with me. And when she come, I know you too enough up like say me and you when there is about this.
No, me not do that, man. I'm mad, man.
Don't peep over on my phone because I know you catch her number. I remember, I know. You see, for your friend what you have, I'm going to like him better than people.
You grew up.
Me
You
not
guys
like
see him high
him.
school, primary school.
No business. Backside.
Hey, girlie.
Falan, what go on?
So everything good with you and my friend?
Yes, everything good.
Oh, my son, they're on a yard and me say, we have something to tell you and me I wonder if you could have come and look for me.
Of course. Nothing not too good for you.
Okay. Alright, not take too long, you hear? Make it snappy. Alright, my friend. Yeah.
So, like, I sitting right here and good. Mama chop sitting to and give me back sitting. That not bad.
Make sure you make it interesting, you know.
Stop chat now. But make it interesting. You know, so my mind easy to change. Because I'm still angry with you. I'm going to choose me forgive you. But any
She come here now?
stop. Yeah, she will come here.
Alright,
now.
go. If you move.
Yeah, me know when she comes to me and then when me start tell her no, you look like a plan. Oh, you fool, so you're big head body, you know. Go on in, go count out the money where you forgive me. Your damn face favor. Go on in, go count out the money where you forgive me. I mean, I want less than 150 and when I get time, I get the next 50. Show me your brother make me do it too. Oh.
Daddy! Oh. Put
How
me
about
in the
that,
broke. Daddy, I have to go fix right this so.
What you tell me?
You know, so me I go look for Shayna again. She called me a while ago and said, I can't come look for her. So
Okay.
she has something important to tell me and so. Me tell me, we can't tell me on the phone. She said, me have to come.
You have to go.
Yeah, and she has something to show me at the same time.
You brush your teeth for morning?
Yes, Daddy, I'm a beard.
Oh, make sure. Come smell it. Come back. Smell the ham. Come.
I'm a beard, Daddy.
You know, go share me in the street. Lift up your hand.
Me not green.
Turn it towards and then. Oh, man, up your hand.
Me not green, Daddy.
Oh, you're lucky. One.
Oh, she
I
and
come back in here before night.
Yes,
I
Daddy.
mean, I want to go down at the station to report you. Bellevue and cops there. Tell them say you're psycho, you're psycho. Go on.
Okay, you put on data plan, it never work. Already this a place now have service. When me run up a copy room service round there. Come like this, I want too thick. The service now come through.
Shayna.
Hold on. There, girl.
Me there for the double. Come in.
Yeah, I can come. Oh, we not climb no step today, because we not in need to go upstairs.
No.
Because guess what, Anna, you come tell me your business and me I tell you something.
I saw you tell me real life business, a big story.
Yeah, big story.
Pop it.
You can call it business to like it further on that.
Tell me.
So anyhow, yes, you remember me when you talk about the day when you come and you tell me say you're virgin, even though me tell you say abstinence makes sense.
Yes.
Yes, you remember that when I asked you, girl. You never remember you see my PP.
Yes.
My brother like you. God no Falan.
No.
No what? Falan, me and your friend, me and your best friend. You know, make sense again. No man I road chance, me know everything about my brother. And listen, if my brother shake up, just come give me in the head.
One punk alone and
No, one punk alone. Falan, me go discipline him. Falan, he can't hurt you, he can't break your heart, Falan. And me, I'm gonna make sure say, me talk to him and tell him, say, look here, I'm my best friend. So
right now, him a drive.
my brother soon buy one car, and you know, say, me
Well.
will help him all the way. Falan,
If him a drive Benz, he can drop my wife Benz.
my brother look like
But if him a drive ladder,
one,
he
so.
can't cross the border.
And a ladder, my brother go drive. So what you say? You can't think about it, you know? You think about it?
Me hear what you say.
Remember, me tell you say about nice girl, and you go reach a one part where you're not going to stop feeling that part. Then my brother can't make that happen to you.
Jesus, me free.
Afraid of what, Falan?
She hear me and make them the big talk there.
Falan, you don't have nothing for afraid of. My brother know, and my brother a right person to you give first at least. So we are going so far.
If me I collect so much money and me no give it up yet, I him no give me no nine more get it so.
But I you same one tell me about you they have wet dreams and you they feel sitting at tingle this and all. But so might as well you experience it with somebody very close to your Falan.
That too broke.
Me and your best friend said better if you give it to my brother. My brother
That
will be
no
sure.
nice.
Oh, you mean say no go nice Falan? You will grow feel like him, me will go if you love him.
I go feel like me I do it and I get nothing.
You
Before
go
me
get some.
do it.
My brother have money for you, no Fallon. My brother have whole heap of money for you.
I don't want to feel like I sell me, I sell.
I don't sell you, I sell. I remember me tell you some my brother.
Virginity can sell?
Fallon, he go act for the first time, but you see when my brother do it, he go take time.
That's priceless.
You see, nice part of me I tell you about, you go feel it for the first time, because my brother know if you take time with your girl.
Me hear what you say. Me does now say me not true.
No, but I think about
Me not tell you say me a think about no. Me hear what you said. I heard what you said.
I see.
I'm going to put it in my pipe and smoke it.
And you see, boy, when you tell me say when you give him money, I will work with boy that. So, just
Money Jesus, you talk.
him see a man, take him out, I work with boy that. Me don't know where him get money from.
So when get too much money that day?
I don't know, I must see thieving with that thief.
My teeth good
And
then.
my brother not thief, so that's why I tell you, say,
That's why I have enough money.
keep your thing in a one circle, girl. Me have your back, you know, have your friend. My brother need to go and get you pregnant because he know say you're not ready for no baby yet. Them the boy they road, they will breed you. One time you give them and them breed you.
But we want money to buy shrimp pasta.
So my brother go give you money for and me tell you say have money. Think about it, girl.
7 days a week, me eat that to them.
Girl, just think about it, you know. My brother really like you. I mean, I really like me and your best friend.
Me I try.
Yeah, girl. That's
No, get trigger happy.
You're gonna try, you're gonna make
Something
it work.
precious me I go give up.
Me tell you something precious, my brother gonna give you to. You think say any girl can get film sugar stick where I have
But he'll go through already, him would have walk out.
Follow
You know?
Please, I am my friend.
Me I try.
And then you know after your dream again, a reality, you will wake up to reality.
You see you?
Go
If you know, my father asked me say if you are a good influence to me
Tell
and
him
tell
say yes, come on, if you like me, girl. Of
tell my
course.
father yes, I'm gonna cover anymore asking.
And then guess
From
what?
one year about man too.
Guess what? Chappy go touch on your breast too. Yeah, go touch your breast and go.
Me afraid.
You know, I feel free and Fallon. Alright, listen. He go talk to you and he go rub your dumb liquor and he go touch your
So we touch him back.
Yeah, if you touch him back, girl, and just go on somewhere, you know, cause remember you have
Oh, we go,
yeah, girl, next one nice son.
So like a puss.
You know, how if his son like puss Fallon, he will bring out the son in you when you want to fit. You know what
That's one love.
So that may really call you to tell you, I know, so you go.
Alright, me a go try.
Girl, that's the favor, that more here.
Me a go try.
Make you work.
Alright, me a go try.
Hold on, let me go and call you, here.
Oh Jesus.
You make him go and talk.
Feel me heart, feel me heart.
You know, feel free, girl. You do not understand.
Feel me heart, how me heart be.
Father, never say you're a gangster, and he's a gangster virgin, you know, so no bother with
Me a go where?
Where you are going? No. Come. Chappie! Brother!
Go on, no. Tell him say tomorrow, me see you.
Today, wait now. Brother!
So I don't tell him go try me.
No, you're not going to try to. Brother, oi! Brother! Chaplain!
Left this a place right now, you know. You know that day.
Brother, come here.
Mom.
They take so long to come, man.
How?
My friend, you want to
Sister, me beard.
Let me see.
Beard, pass me beard.
Yes, ma'am. Falan. What's your fisher? Falan. What's your fisher?
You shy about?
My brother, Chaplain. He like you.
Yeah, she must know it already.
Lad. If anything, that's crazy, right?
You boy left me here.
No, I'm not going to just go right.
Stay with me.
I'm not just right behind you. I'm going to show you.
Alright.
Can't be sick. You used to me as a shy. I'm here.
No, you stay up.
Those of me always admire you look so amazing and so rapid. I captivate my mind every time this year. Yeah. You know, you're not Coca-Cola shape. You see me?
I'm free at door.
Right now, you look nice, but I can agree with you. Come on, you're shy about it. Fill up yourself, man.
I'm speechless.
Oh, they can say
No, if
anything.
you say.
Let me see what you say. The first I get one, man.
Maybe.
Come on. Put your smile. Put your smile. Put it around. Put your face, boy, you're shy. I never long finger there, you make you weird.
That no mean say.
I never have to crap me, but yeah.
Me not crap you.
Why?
I'm afraid.
Afraid of what? Why you afraid? You never have a boyfriend before?
No,
The first time? First time will be the best time, yeah?
I don't want to do it.
Do what? Do it no man?
Because you say you say it about hot.
Relationship?
Oh, relationship here too?
Relationship go hot?
Oh, alright.
So that cool.
Yeah.
Alright. You know, so you have to take things to, right? Maybe can introduce you to my room. Make you see you in my room look nice and something. But I want you for you know. You want to see it when the show me sister, you can go take out it. You want to see it? Come on, man.
I don't find you want to show me. Me know when girl go in a room what happen.
What's going to happen? Nothing not happen. Just a show me room, that's it. And my sister there.
We can't talk right here so.
The thing you talk about my sister there, so I can't do it with my sister there. So
What you want to do when you see you can't, when your sister can't
come
see?
show them room, man. Come, relax, man. Take a paper bag and come. Let me show you them room. Come.
Give me me bomb.
Come on.
Give me me bomb. Give me me bomb. Give me me bag.
Come your room, look.
You just take one bag, she come and fall back at you.
Yeah, you find a sheet. You never see flowers on a sheet?
You know me say about no flowers. You remember
Yeah.
me go back through that door there.
What? Come on.
Okay, go back.
You see it? You see them get in the spot want you?
Let me go.
Come on, sit down. Look at that. You ever like done it before?
No.
So you're scared?
I'm afraid.
No man, look at me tell you this man. Me have me Vaseline. Listen me now. Me have me Vaseline can rub on the tip and your there.
No.
Oh, listen me now. Me nah do that. I take my time. I roll in the big CD so you can work. Come listen me now. I can't feel it
I
man.
don't want to feel it. Let go my hand. Me no want it bite me.
Feel it now. Come on, feel it now.
No.
Feel it now. Feel it now.
You're too thirsty, you know.
Feel it something man.
Be
Come on.
come here, sweat. Come sweat and wash me.
I want it. Come on, feel it man.
But
Feel it.
this too rough.
Feel it now.
No, you know, let me go. Come see me out.
Come on. Feel it now.
Come on, leave this a place here.
Okay, you feel it? You feel it?
Yes.
Alright, feel it now.
Never do it for me, Bon.
For the first time, you're not gonna be a rough
Yes.
time. Come on, feel it man.
Please, no. No rush me.
I'll
You
see
say
you.
you have to take time.
That's
You
the way-
can't make me a
That's
sweat.
the way you feel it. Come on.
I feel
Come on.
bad.
Come on.
Wait there. Let me go look at me a sweat.
Wait, I want to go. What about in your son?
Let me out. Your brother too thirsty.
You not touch yet. Just listen.
But
I'm
you
not
not
standing
for
for
run,
a bridge, you
no.
know.
No, me come now, you're not for run. My brother can't. Chaplain, what you do? You idiot!
Shane, let me tell her to relax and she did a slow pass it. I don't know.
Me tell him, say me never do it. I me
Because
tell
you're my
you.
friend, that's
No,
why.
but we are calm man, me know if it that. Shane, I'm
Chaplain,
not.
and I say
You
you
just
need
harass
to
me.
You're not for harass her, you're
No,
not for
she make you look so extra, Shane, I know me.
Jesus
she-
Christ, me lose half of you.
You better, you too thirsty. You better send him over bridge.
Look here, I you see through a long time. You not really have.
And your brother, you know, see your brother not do not a long time and you send me. Feel
No.
like this advantage
Girl,
of
me
me.
not do nothing.
Gentle, probably because you're in the corporate with him, why he just get out of
Yeah,
control.
no.
Chop. Falan, me promise you, he not go deal with us again. Me I go make sure say he not
How
rough
you
you
feel?
up.
Me don't want to feel
No,
no.
you not have to run, Falan. Me there here with
You
you.
know,
You
she-
can't
see me
touch
tell
her.
her.
You can't touch my friend while me there here.
Come on, me heart.
Yeah. I know, say, right time to give mama a call right now. Feel like give mama a call, brawling right now. If mama busy in idea.
Hello? From me see the number, me know I said this number never called before. Me know it's One Money Jesus, aka Squad Funny app.
So where you deal with an idea, my friend? I good?
Yes.
can't get the PS set.
Of course.
So hold on, what's your style now?
This guy to buy you a new phone in our son.
Yeah, 16 Pro Max.
Yeah, right now, I'm at a location in about more than 1 year to get the cash, you see me?
I'll come and get it.
Alright, but we want nice, if you're saying something like this.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, because I know what I can't spicy with you. You know, like your regular.
No regular, no barbecue.
Oh, God. No, man, I'm not going to the barbecue. I'm not eating chicken.
Alright.
You know, you're hot already, isn't it?
Alright.
Where you now?
I'm just chilling, nothing out of the ordinary I'm doing.
So where are you now?
I'm home.
Right now, no, baby. Either you come link me right now.
I'll come.
Yo, Scotty, what I want?
Oh, my God.
Which man that in our background?
Hang up, I'll come. Hang up. I'm gonna come. It's my brother talking in the background. Him torment.
Oh, make sure.
Yeah, man, go, brother.
Hang up, I'll call you back.
What kind of style am I following? Remember, see, you tell me, say, you're not no man, you're a virgin, you know? Me not like the conversation, you know, because me your man in your background. Anyway, you know, say me there around a country store. More you come give me a link around a country store, you know. You see me?
Oh, you're so loving up, so you don't know where you at?
Yeah, country store. I'm at the country store.
Okay, I'll be there.
Yeah, me have something for you, here.
Alright.
Yeah, me have something nice for you.
Nice.
Yeah, man, me have something nice and long and lengthy for you.
Okay, I'll be there.
Okay. Just make it snappy, okay? I'm drinking a cold beer. Me don't want it to get hot.
I'll be there.
Yeah, alright, baby, yeah.
I'm going to give money for long.
I don't think my sister saved you, you know.
You see you? You
No.
know,
Me have disappear, sir.
Remember me here?
Hey, me not too much, you know. Right now, this done, you
Just
know.
forgive him still.
How me forgive him?
Fine, remember see my brother and I don't have much sense.
Look where you see me. Him not gonna want to talk to
He
me
not.
now. No business.
Falan, just forgive him now for my sake. May I have
Alright, me I
sense
go
still.
home and me yard. Me not go look for money, Jesus. Me yard, me I go.
You
Me go
can't make
rest.
money, Jesus give
Me
money
tired.
and you give me a thing same way. Because remember me and you good like
Really?
that. You know better come butt in this. Like say you lose
Come on, we go
stride.
talk about
Come
business
come
different
on.
place.
Brother, you workless. Me never know say you not got no use. Jesus. No wonder why you never get carry girl come here because say sister see my girlfriend and me. Line up girl here again. You look like you want to come here this and that way up to brother. Jesus. Here come Falan.
Money in hand.
Oh, my take so long, man. I take too long to forward, you know. Shots in forward, I'm sure that's all the man choking, you know. Watch out if you know saying lose, you better now. Kingpin style. One thing, man. What?
Evening.
How you doing?
Hi.
I see you smell nice.
Lord of rest.
How I name Victoria's Secret or Louis Vuitton?
Both of them.
Boy, I not tell no lie. Look, you come out, man.
Thanks.
So what you are doing with now?
I'm just here.
Always like a piercing, you know, you put in one new one.
No, I did not.
Eyelash them. Jesus.
They're long, not true.
Hold on.
Like when I touch my eyebrow.
Yes. I like your little blue shots though.
Thank you. Some change and a different something.
Yeah, but you know, say we want kind of upgrade in our badness a little bit though, you know?
Like,
I want to carry go show you to some places and, you know, show you what can
So it's
happen.
something the way you say you have to give me.
Patient, no man.
So you give me a quickie first.
That's cool, no man. I want to pay, man. Many in store for you, man.
How?
So look for your body, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man, I look nice, man. I'm stand up now. If you like you're not used to me, you're not used to man.
No.
Don't worry yourself, man. Me have plans.
Because you didn't see me a go on, so.
Yeah, man, I look excellent, man.
You have to see you have approach you a different way.
Me just a feel if me can hold it.
You can't take the agony there.
Man, a 50,000 style that.
I say you
And if you go so 100,000.
and that you go cost me.
And if you go so a 350,000. So you have to choose what you want.
So I say money go up aside?
Yes, I say you change style, I saw your money go up. Alright, baby, I'm not gonna bother do it rough. You go take time, man, and leave them. Nice. Promise, man. Sorry.
There's something.
You see like your body soft like a sponge. I'm not gonna really too ugly up, you know, you see me, because I want to deal with it like one like a glass back. I don't even want to drop.
Handle with care.
Oh God, man. I'm gonna deal with you spendaciously. You love money?
Of course.
How much foot money have?
When you go on you will see.
No, this climax.
No.
Call him.
Alright.
Go run water. Go run.
Likewise.
Yes.
Now stop.
What kind of stuff in the house?
You know that no around here, so. How you see something? Stop frightening me now.
How far you run left hand and slippers?
I lie you tell.
I not see one shop, you know. I did hear the incident they go on a country store. I wonder if he gone around there. I don't want to go put himself in no trouble because of falling, you know, me. I go look at me silly.
Achoo! How could I do this, sir?
You know what kind of style that? Like
Oh, gonna rob there, you want to come rob here,
like
you know?
somebody sit down and watch it. Eh? How will you bring come here with
Me
you?
not care nobody behind me.
I tell a friend them say me have money to go around.
No, I would never do that. I'm not get no more yet.
I don't trust the move there, you know.
So you say let's go there.
Man, we have to leave that place, man. Get the bag. Not like a move, you know.
So you don't have nothing more in your pocket?
Tell us when we go around, man. Alright, take off your bag. Let's go to my place, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. You want to bring it?
No
I
problem.
don't want nobody to say, yo,
Yeah, you're a gentleman taking it up and give it to me.
No, man.
Let's go.
Hold on, see your lace one tie there.
What's wrong with me, lace?
Hold on. Hold this a car, man.
I trick me up to your answer phone call.
Excuse me.
I want
Excuse me
next
1
girl
minute.
that.
Excuse me 1 minute. Yo, brother, why you calling for, brother? My little brother. Police. Eh. Down high station. Which station? Brother, God know you. I'm the police figure with my brother now, I'm star. Yo. Alright, brother. Alright. Yo, chill know you. That one is man. Yo, chill know star. Hey, follow, I know some have to go run down in that town right now. Police, now with me, little brother.
I'm gonna get you 100,000, I'm gonna spend it for him.
Follow me, just tomorrow me go and check. You hear? No feel no way. I have to go down to the station.
You want me to like you? How can I do this? I have to do this at different time, you know.
Man, you got jail today, you. Tell me if you pick your girl cherry, you know that. Yo, she don't know you.
What kind of business is a cross business happen to me, you know? Me if I get the 100,000, better you give me 100%.
Wow.
What you have to do? I'm with you with the handbag, you know, where you have to? I don't want to get them. Where you have to?
Listen me now.
Everything I say, it's like a rush, me say like a bulldog.
Me better say I run. Come on, come on.
No, come down, way.
Come on, son, man.
You don't know what the clock is strike, you know. We don't know what 10 day all are you right now.
Bam to you. Me have 30,000 in pocket can get right now. You see them boy that eat that boy.
Which one
them
are you
that
know about? What happened?
I'm here sponsored every money you know that.
Who?
And that can't tell you.
Now me alone I see
I'm
here, son.
I'm making money and everything.
And me alone I see here, son, don't?
Oi.
Where you come from? You come own me up.
on the phone.
So,
I mean, I tell you, say, hey, boy, now the money like I'm
but tell me
son.
when you see a scene here,
Listen to me, no? Yeah, listen to me.
right now you mash up my business, you know.
That's not business. And me, I come to get money for give you. And that me, I
What
tell
you
you.
know about?
What me know about?
You know nothing about money, Jesus?
You see me, boy, you don't know me.
You know how much
you come
money
and
I
look
give
at
you first, you know? You come here, can't own me. Where you come from, can't own me?
you see, you know, hear me, I say. You come and me here to know so we have money. Like a dad. Not because you see my sister low key. And me, he used to send him to school and me used to go to school.
Right now, you mash up my $100,000 plan, you know.
So where you don't get the money from? You know me not get it from. I just say the boy I waste boy and then I get to me and say.
The man have him black card, I get the money.
It's black card. We get money from. We get money from. Who get money from Gio? See it there. See them there. Me man get money from Gio. So what you talk about? Eh? Come.
I will skip this.
Come. So who man get money from Gio? That man tell us say the boy they are waste boy.
But I can't have him have cash.
Then me guess where? And my yard they come for money to bribe you. Hello?
Brother.
Yeah, brother.
Brother, where you there, brother?
Me dey home when I back I was a play a game.
What you say, brother? You there home and play a game?
Yeah,
Brother, you sure say they want to play a game?
yes.
Jesus Christ, brother, that means you're tricked. Alright, brother, hang up, go and go do your homework.
Yeah.
Jesus, that means you're tricked, chapter trick me. I'm around this some years, so I'm like shuffling, you know. Hold on, no wonder if my boy come out.
Alright, I'm calm down there.
That's not if you do me I tell you.
But it's too rough, it's too rough.
That can fix man. I can be gentle.
Yo, Mr. Fix It. Don't worry about that.
Eh? Yo, chop I say I'm my brother.
Give me that.
Yo.
I want to Money, Jesus.
Stop now. Let me do this to me, brother. Brother, I must say competition, brother. Let me see I get you, brother. I'm not get you, brother.
Money, Jesus. What kind of competition? He say you get money from him. You borrow money.
Yo, chop that. My youth.
Lick him.
Brother.
Smoke him with it.
Nigga. And then I must realize that I get you, brother. I mean, I get you. So maybe I try to suck, brother.
Get you. You never get you. No way. Lick him, money, Jesus.
You see, brother, I want to see my youth, brother.
My brother will have
I'm
that. Lick him. You afraid of him? Money, Jesus. What kind of competition? What kind of competition, money, Jesus? You can't believe it's a competition, really. You know what I'm saying? And lucky things, I keep my virginity.
You can't explain, man. I talk about
You see money when you give me spend here already. So nobody can't take it back, Mr. Take it back. You hear?
So where you go?
Me not in no arms house. Me not in no bang. Rasta no mix up in a bang around.
Yeah, talk about,
You
man.
see?
School, man,
Me,
give me a
I'm
chance.
follow
man.
my father advice.
You can't explain, man. No listen to your father, man.
Let me go. Let me go. Me not in a mix up. Me didn't like you. Me didn't like your money, Jesus. But me didn't like your money more. But me have to go. Let me go. Let me left the place. Let me go before me ball for real. Me not in no arms house. Me follow my father advice and go to church, you know. Me go take out all of them. Me go make sure say me follow my father advice. You see, if you follow your children, obey your parents, and that me I go do. Shayna, talk to money, Jesus come.
Me see that good and look at dirty football, me not even like him.
All your brother, you see all your brother. I be your arms house him keep up, you know. Me coulda get 100,000 before all of this happen, you know.
Explain, baby.
Him a go make the most sense.
You really would have want this and why? Lick him on the hand. I want to see your father. Why you do me friend? Why you do me friend?
Me can't get you other one.
Why you do me friend?
Me can't get you other one.
Why you do me friend?
What's like come
You
here?
know we fight here, you see that girl me.
Where's like come me not get the money?
Any of my brother violate you. Wait till me grow.
Yeah, your brother
on a
forget
yard.
lick too.
Come on, girl. Wait till me grow on a yard. Watch me, I'm a little non-be a brother.
Yeah, and if you get box and kick till you know see.
Jesus
Hey,
Christ.
me no want no man. Me no bother want no man. Me go a church me I go. None me a turn. Me a turn straight none. You hear what me say? Celebrate me no want nothing to do with money Jesus AKS body. And me no want nothing to do with with a little arms house brother with a little toasty body. You hear?
Hold on, you can't
You need
forgive
too
me,
much
brother,
salt.
but that the one they when him, I lie the one they tell about saying him no money, Jesus, not go so. When you go to church, you hear real things about you. You have made it to the end of the video.
Yes.
Thanks for watching, guys. We know some
The
enjoy the
ending.
movie because it was real epic. Look out for another banger coming soon.
Right at you.